Have you ever started cooking, grabbed an onion, and 5 minutes later your eyes are burning, your hands smell like garlic, and the cutting board looks like a disaster zone? Or worse, you bought a cheap chopper that barely cuts, overheats, or turns everything into mush. Here's the surprising truth. The right electric chopper can save you hours every week, completely change how fast you cook, and even make meal prep enjoyable again. So today, I'm breaking down the best electric choppers of 2025, from compact everyday helpers to powerful family-sized machines. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your kitchen and cooking style. Number 1. Proctor Silex 1.5 cup electric chopper. Let's start with a problem almost everyone faces. You don't want to pull out a massive food processor just to chop one onion or a few cloves of garlic. It's bulky, noisy, and honestly feels like overkill. That's where the Proctor Silex electric vegetable chopper shines. This is a compact, no-nonsense chopper built for everyday tasks. With its 1.5 cup size, it's perfect for quick jobs like onions, garlic, salsa, baby food, or emulsifying sauces. What makes it surprisingly effective is the stainless steel blade and pulse control. You're not locked into one texture, you can stop exactly when your food looks right. And because everything is dishwasher safe, cleanup takes seconds. With a 4.5-star rating from over 14,000 reviews, this is clearly a favorite for people who want something simple, reliable, and space-saving. If you live in a small apartment or cook quick meals daily, this is a great starting point. Number 2. KitchenAid 5-cup food chopper. Now let's talk about the frustration of wanting more control. Maybe you're making hummus, dressings, or whipped cream, and basic choppers just don't cut it. The KitchenAid 5-cup food chopper is designed for cooks who want precision. It features 2 speeds plus pulse, and the blade locks in place, making pouring safer and cleaner. But the real standout? The included whisk accessory, something you don't often see in this category. You can whip cream, stir sauces, and even make creamy dips smoothly. The drizzle basin also lets you add oil slowly while blending, which is perfect for dressings and emulsions. With 4.5 stars and Amazon's Choice status, this model is ideal if you want a refined, premium feel without going full professional food processor. If you like consistency and versatility, this one feels like a natural upgrade from smaller mini choppers. Quick question: which style do you prefer so far? Compact and fast, or versatile and precise? Let me know in the comments. Number 3. Enleber 4.5 cup electric food chopper. Now imagine this scenario. You're prepping meat, vegetables, and baby food all in one session. Constant stopping, pre-cutting, and mess can get exhausting. The Enleber electric food chopper tackles that problem with a powerful motor and safety lock design that only runs when you're actively pressing the handle. This gives you instant stop-and-go control, which is perfect when texture matters. It's strong enough to handle meat, nuts, and vegetables without pre-cutting, and the leak-proof bowl keeps your counter clean. Add in BPA-free materials and dishwasher-safe parts, and it becomes very family-friendly. This is a great option if you want mid-size capacity without bulk, especially for families cooking multiple meals a day. Number 4. LINKChef 6-cup stainless steel food chopper. Here's a common complaint. Plastic bowls stain, scratch, and start smelling over time, especially when chopping onions and meat. The LINKChef 6-cup food chopper solves that with a stainless steel bowl and a powerful motor designed for fast, heavy chopping. It handles vegetables, nuts, ice, meat, and even tougher ingredients with ease. The 2-speed control gives you precision, while the compact footprint keeps it countertop friendly. This one feels noticeably sturdier than plastic alternatives. With 4.5 stars and thousands of reviews, it's a solid choice if durability and hygiene are high priorities in your kitchen. Number 5. Kamic 600-watt large-capacity food processor. If you've ever tried prepping food for a family gathering or party, you know the pain of doing everything in batches. The Kamic 600-watt food processor is built for volume and power. With a massive 72-ounce bowl and 600-watt motor, it can knead dough, crush ice, shred cheese, and chop large quantities in one go. What really sets it apart are the 6 preset programs, including ice crushing and dough kneading. You don't need to guess settings. Just turn the knob and go. This is ideal for serious home cooks who want one machine that replaces multiple tools. Number 6. Silex 12-cup smart food processor. Now let's take things up a notch with smart controls. The Silex 12-cup food processor features a digital countdown timer, 11 speeds, and multiple preset modes. You can literally set it, walk away, and come back to perfectly processed food. It includes blades for slicing, shredding, French fries, kneading, and chopping, making it incredibly versatile. The dual lock safety system ensures it only runs when assembled correctly. This is perfect for busy households where speed, consistency, and safety all matter. Number 7. 2-Meat Ow. 4-cup electric food chopper. Let's go back to something compact but powerful. The 2-Meat Ow electric chopper is designed for people who want speed without complexity. With 2 speeds and 4 S-shaped blades, it can chop most ingredients in under 10 seconds. The standout feature is the 2 separate bowls, allowing you to prep meat and vegetables without cross-contamination. It's quiet, stable, and extremely easy to clean. With thousands of buyers each month, this is a great everyday workhorse for small families. Number 8. Geniza electric food processor with dual bowls. Finally, we have one of the most popular picks of the year. The Geniza food processor includes 2 8-cup bowls, 1 glass, 1 stainless steel, which is perfect for separating meat and vegetables. The 450-watt copper motor is built for longevity and efficiency. It stops instantly when lifted, has overheating protection, and delivers fast, even chopping with minimal effort. With thousands of reviews and bestseller status, this is one of the most balanced options in terms of power, safety, and versatility. So let's quickly recap. If you want something small and simple, Proctor Silex is perfect. For precision and premium design, KitchenAid stands out. For family prep and versatility, Enleber and LINKChef are strong picks. For large batches and power, Kamik and CKMU dominate. For compact efficiency, 2-Meow delivers. And for all-around value, Geniza is hard to beat. Bonus tip, always pulse instead of holding the button. This gives you better texture control and protects the motor. If this video helped you choose the best electric chopper for 2025, make sure to like the video, drop a comment telling me which one you'd pick, and share it with someone who loves cooking. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, I'll be revealing the best blenders for smoothies and ice crushing, including one model that shocked me with its performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.